Let's learn how to pronounce some commonly misread English words.
From where I come from, saris is like the epitome of elegance and beauty.
Epitome.
मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं फिल्म्स करूँ.
Indian film industry.
Once I say yes for a film,
God, it's such a beautiful film.
In which I'm producing a lot of TV and film for them.
पता मैं पंजाब से आई मेरे को cold cough हो गया.
Earlier, I used to give it to them only when they had a slight cough or.
and relatives और बातें add करने लगे उसमें. हाँ, relatives.
There were like a few relatives, a few friends who.
I heard a relative say